we are, folks. The moment has finally arrived when those long-awaited bees have come. This is a typical 3-pound package of about 12,000 bees that comes with a queen in a separate cage and a little can of sugar syrup to help them along the way. But it's important to note that these bees came from a different colony than the queen. The queen was raised separately, so they really don't know each other, and they need to get acquainted. And that's what's a little bit tricky when you hive a set of bees. The workers will kill the queen if they think that she doesn't belong to them. So we have to do it in a way, and we'll demonstrate that a little bit later, how this package can get in this hive, and they'll all be happy. Now we're at the stage where we're going to remove the queen from this package to put her in the hive separately and give her a chance to spread her pheromones and her scent all throughout these combs, these frames of foundation, and also give enough time for the crate of bees to note her absence. So we're going to remove that queen cage now. First, we're going to strike this firmly down on the cement so the bees go to the bottom. We'll pull out this sugar syrup can, and then I will remove this queen cage as quickly as I can. And this marked queen with a green dot will indicate what year this queen hatched. And that's this year, this spring. And so our next step is to suspend this queen cage right in the middle of the hive. This entrance will be on the upper side, so she will climb out. Some queen cages come slightly differently. This one came with a cork blocking the entrance, but it also came with a candy plug that was inside this little tube. And it's a little tricky, but the job is going to be to remove this cork, which then opens up the entrance, and we want to make sure the queen doesn't escape during that moment. And so I've tipped it up, so the queen is likely to walk up, as she seems to be doing. And I'm going to block this with my finger while I pull that cork out, and then slide this candy plug right in. So now we have the candy plug inserted. The bees from inside the hive will begin to eat away in that candy plug, and they will free the queen eventually. She will go on a mating flight within a day or two and find bees around here.
So she'll only mate with honeybees, though?
She will only mate with honeybee drones from a different colony, not from her own colony. And they're called drone congregating areas. So the next step is going to be take this frame and to put the queen cage right here in the middle of the frame with the plug up, because we want her to crawl up and out, and we will put this right down inside. In hot weather, if it's warm enough, you can put that queen cage right on the inner floor of the colony, and that'll be fine. But it's a little cool, so we want to suspend her in the middle of the cluster for warmth.